Hello students, let us start with today's topic of Python. Today I am going to discuss about NumPy. NumPy is basically one package defined inside Python. It's a numerical Python. It's basically the full form of NumPy. I am going to discuss about 1D, 2D and 3D array today. And in these arrays, how to calculate dimension, shape, size, length and type of the array. To start with the practical part, first of all, write import numpy as np. We have to import the package basically. Then that A is the array np dot array. Pass some elements inside the array. Now print A. The declared array. You can display the values 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 9. These are the values. Basically it's one dimension array. To check the dimension, you can write dimension. Here you can write a dot n dim. It's n dimension. Execute the program again. Dimension is 1. To find the shape, you can write shape, then a dot shape. Execute again. The shape is 6, comma, it's empty. It means only 6 elements are there, containing one dimension. Means the second dimension is not there. After that, calculation of size. Now what is the meaning of size basically? These are the number of elements. You can put column here. These are basically the number of elements. Size is equal to 6. Print to find length. We can write len, then a. Execute again. Length is 6. To find type, you can write type of a. It's numpy dot nd array. It's all about one dimension array. You can write here 1D array. Similarly, we can design 2-dimension array. Let's copy and paste. Here you can write 2D array. In place of A, you can write B. Suppose B is the second array, that's 2-dimension array. For the designing of 2-dimension array, suppose these are the 4 elements of first row. 4, 1, 8, 7. Suppose these are the elements of the second row. and we have to place both the rows in one square bracket. It's the syntax. I repeat again. It is the first row, comma, then second row, and place these in one square bracket. You can see the output 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 8, 1, 7, 4, 1, 8, 7. Dimension 2, shape is 2 into 4, size 8, length 2, and class numpy.nd array. You can display the contents. You can display the selected portion also. You can execute like this also. Only these values for 2-dimension array is there. Now for 3-dimension array, what you have to do, just copy and paste this content, write here 3D, in place of B you can write C because it's a new array. You can easily edit the contents inside Python. I'm doing the work on Spider platform. You can perform similarly on Jupyter or other platforms. Suppose these are the elements. Copy this content, put comma here, then Control V, place these contents in square bracket again, now execute. You can see here dimension is 3, 2 into 2 into 5. Basically these are the rows, 2 rows here, 2 rows here. That's 2 into 2 into 5. Basically it's a 3 dimension. Suppose it's length, breadth and height like this, or length, breadth and thickness. Size is 20 because 20 elements are there. Length is 2 and class is numpy.endDimension array. These are the basic criteria or basic contents to design 1-dimension, 2-dimension and 3-dimension array. After designing, we find out the dimension, shape, size, length and type of the array. Hope you understand the content. In the next video, we will continue with numerical Python.